Okay guys, we're at the car culture. So let's start recording some nice cars. We have a lot today. Good. Bentley is amazing and nice. I want a GTR, so hopefully in the future we can get one. And there's another Supra here. It's amazing. Now on Mark IV Supra. Super cool. That's great. Look at this. Amazing. Look at the engine. Wow. This is beautiful. Best one over here. Wow. One more, man. R33. These are already old, but I love these cars. The NSX, they are amazing. This one is amazing, especially on the wrap. The color is great. Look at that. It looks clean. Integra. VTEC engine. That's nice. Wow. Look at the hood of this thing, man. Super aggressive. It looks amazing. Look at this. Yeah. Okay guys, this was the car culture shifted car show. Okay, it was amazing. I got a lot of cars today, but the noise was pretty loud, so I hope you can hear me. You can hear me on the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.